guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the trending speed to slow, like to speedy to slow audio, like the one that's like nah I don't know how to explain that, but here's how you do it. So I'm just going to be recording hello for mine, so press add audio voiceover and click hold to record. You can say whatever you want, but I'm just gonna say hello. So hello, and then after that you are going to then bring it to the beginning, click on the audio, go to speed, and go to around 5x speed. You can go up to 10, but I like going from 5. And then you are going to go until you hit 0.4x speed. What I like to do, actually, if it's too much, like just to go from 5 then to 4.9, that's too much, I just like to press copy and then go to speed and then put it down to 4.5. So I like to go down by 0.5x speed. And don't forget, when you press speed, you also press this pitch button too. Don't forget about that. So again, copy, speed, 4x speed. And then once you go until the like 1x speed, then you can go one by one. For instance, from 1 you go from to 0.9, and then from 0.9 you're going to go to 0.x, and then you go up to 0.4x speed. Don't forget to like copy the audio so it'll change, and this is what it'll be like at the end. I've already done it, so let's just go back to my projects, and this is what it'll sound like. Hello. 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 And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.